Welcome to JH. Let's talk about the Shovler app, the on-demand snow removal service that's currently trending. Everyone wants to know if it's actually legit or just another digital flake. I'm breaking it down for you, so stick around, unless you actually enjoy manual labor in sub-zero temperatures. First off, it's available on both the Play Store and the App Store. That's a decent start because Apple and Google usually don't let just any random scam sit on their digital shelves, which adds a much-needed layer of trust before you hand over your credit card. They also maintain an active presence on Facebook and Instagram. We're told that brands showing up online consistently care about their users, which is a sweet sentiment for anyone who's ever been put on hold for 3 hours by a chatbot. The founder is a guy named Daniel Miller, and having a real human name attached to a company is always a nice change from those mystery corporations likely run by 3 raccoons in a trench coat. They even provide a physical address and phone number, suggesting they aren't planning on vanishing into the night as soon as the first blizzard hits. Now for the part that actually matters, the user reviews. It's a bit of a mixed bag, to put it politely. Some people love it, claiming shovelers arrive on time and save their backs from certain doom. However, others are reporting bugs that would make a beta tester cry. We're talking about payments defaulting to USD for Canadian users, because apparently, the exchange rate is just a suggestion, and shovelers who simply never show up. Nothing says premium service, like being ghosted by a guy with a spade while your driveway disappears under 3 feet of powder. So is the Shovler app legit? Technically, yes. The platform exists, the founder is real, and the contact info is all there. But the actual user experience is about as stable as a snowman in July. You might get a hero with a shovel, or you might just get a lighter wallet and a very cold walk to your car. Use it if you must, but keep your own shovel handy just in case the on-demand part turns into maybe next week. Thanks for watching till the end.